Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. I thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I am going to show you how you can use one of the items that is available at Beebeecraft website. As mentioned before, I was accepted into their YouTube program, and to get accepted into their program, you just need 100 subscribers. In exchange, they will allow you to get $40 worth of things. And I ended up getting 3 different items, and I did an unboxing. So I definitely will link that video below so you can go back and watch that video and just see the awesome things that I got from them. So now for my second video, I have to show you how you can use these items from Beebeecraft. So for this video, I am going to use these beautiful gold candle trays that I got from Beebeecraft. I ended up getting 3. So I'm definitely going to leave a link to this below. And I'm going to just show you today how you can make a centerpiece using these beautiful candle trays. All right, here we go. So I am going to use pillar candles. Well, the good thing about these trays is that they allow for you to use real candles. I have some of these floral foam circles from the Dollar Tree, and then I have like a whole lot of flowers, white flowers. So I plan to make a wedding centerpiece out of these. All right, here we go. So here is my creation using the Beebeecraft candle holder trays. I love the way you can still see the gold of the tray. So when definitely this will work at a sweetheart table. So with the bride and the groom sitting there, they can see this beautiful golden rim around the candles. I love the arrangement. Feel free to use whatever color flowers you like. I used a variety of white colors. Just let me know what you think of this centerpiece. Comment below. Please share my video with someone that may be getting married. And this is a very, very simple centerpiece that they can make for possibly a sweetheart table or a head table. And then lastly, if you still have not had the chance to subscribe to my channel, please go and do so now. I will make sure I leave a link to this item here from Beebeecraft so that you, if you're interested, can purchase this item as well. And I will also leave a link to their YouTube program in the comments below or in the description. So I thank you so much for viewing this video, and stay tuned for my next Beebeecraft tutorial that'll be coming up very soon. Thank you for viewing. Until I see you next time, bye.